Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is I'm going to solve another kata that we solved in the previous video to this one. You can get the link on the description below. So I'm going to resolve this kata using the filter function, which is very useful and short-handed. So what is the filter function? It's something like this. I'm just trying to test it here. So if I have my array 1, sorry about that, so this is array 1. This is the content of array 1. Now I can loop it using a filter function, and filter is going to take 2 parameters. We can have 2 parameters if you want, or 1 if you want. So we can, with 2 parameters, we can run through the array having the value and the index at the same time. So if I console log just the value, what's the issue? Array 1 is not identified. Yeah, it's array 1. Okay, so remember this is array 1 here. So if I use the filter, I can get the value using this way. These are the values here, and then this is the index. So we can use this concept to solve this algorithm, even times last. So given a sequence of integers, return the sum of all the integers that have an index and an even index multiplied by the integer and the last index. So I'm going to create the array that's going to have the sum, the even sums, if you like. Let's put it to 0. Now I'm going to run through the array using the filter, and I'm going to collect the value and the index. Now I'm going to check if the index is even. As if you divided by 2, it gives 0. If index is given, then I'm going to add it to the even sum. I'm going to add the value this time around. Else there's nothing to do. Now at the end of this, I can just return the even sum multiplied by the number at the last index, which is numbers. The index is numbers dot length minus 1. Now since this is just a one statement if, we can make it short. I can remove the parentheses, the curly braces if you like, and I can even put this on one line. That's it, and let's run. And we can see that it works. So this is another very useful function which I advise to learn in JavaScript. Now I just used it with 2 parameters. Let's come back to the node console. If I run, let's remind ourselves, this is array 1. If I rerun the filter function with just 1 parameter, it's gonna be the value. So if I console log, it's just going to be the value. So it's very good to know we can have 1 parameter, or we can have 2, which is the value and the index. So see you on another video, and don't forget to subscribe.